Hello. Today we are learning all about marvelous mammals. Let's take a little tour and see what makes these animals so special. Hi, I'm Matt the Bat, and I'm going to let you fly around the world with me today to meet some marvelous mammals. Do you know what mammals are? After our trip, you'll be an expert on these marvelous animals. Let's get going. Our first stop will be in the woodland forest. This is where I spend a lot of my time. There are many mammals that live here with me. Look at the animals here. Are they all mammals? No, two of them belong to a different animal group, birds. All the other animals here belong to the mammal group. Which group do you think I belong to? I may have wings and fly like a bird, but I am a mammal. Why? Let me show you the characteristics that make an animal a mammal. Look at the mammals that live with me in the forest. What is covering all of their bodies? Right. All mammals are covered with fur or hair, including me. Do you see any animals in the Arctic that are covered with fur or hair? Yes, polar bears and walruses are mammals too. Some mammals, like the polar bears, have lots of fur all over. Other mammals, like the walrus, just have tiny hairs on their bodies. Another characteristic of mammals is that they are warm-blooded. This means that their bodies stay warm on the inside, even when it's cold outside. The food that mammals eat is converted into energy to warm their bodies. As we fly over the farm, notice the pig feeding her babies. This is another characteristic of mammals. They feed their babies milk. Most mammal babies, like these piglets, are born alive. They do not hatch from eggs. When they are born, they need their parents to help take care of them. Now that you know mammals are born alive, warm-blooded, covered with hair or fur, and feed milk to their babies, can you think of any mammals living at your house? You may have pets that are mammals. Do you know that you are a mammal too? That's right, people are mammals. You are warm-blooded, drink milk as a baby, and have hair. Another characteristic of mammals is that they have well-developed brains. This means we're smart. Mammals are the smartest of all the animal groups. Aren't you glad you're a mammal? You've learned what makes an animal a mammal. Let's review. Mammals are animals that are covered with hair or fur, are warm-blooded, give birth to live young, feed milk to their babies, have well-developed brains. Some mammals are special mammals, like me. These mammals may seem like they would belong to another animal group, but they're really mammals. I may seem like a bird because I have wings and fly, but I'm covered with fur, give birth to live young, and feed my babies milk. So I'm a mammal. Let's learn about some other special mammals. Whales, seals, and dolphins live in the water, so many people think they belong to the fish group. They are mammals. Fish are covered with scales and breathe with gills. Whales, seals, and dolphins have tiny hairs and breathe with their lungs. They also give birth to live young and feed their babies milk. You can tell the platypus and the echidna, spiny anteater, are mammals because you can see their fur. However, they can be confusing because they do something that no other mammals do. They lay eggs. That's right. These special mammals do not give birth to live young. Instead, their babies hatch from eggs. Another special group of mammals are the marsupials. Marsupial babies are born alive, but they finish their development inside their mother's pouch. These mammals have special pouches to provide nourishment for their young babies. Do you see the baby kangaroo sticking its head out of the mother's pouch? Let's see how much you learned about mammals today. Do you remember what kind of covering mammals have? Yes, fur or hair. What do mammals feed their babies? Milk. Are the babies born alive or do they hatch from eggs? Most mammal babies are born alive. Are mammals warm-blooded or cold-blooded? Mammals are warm-blooded. What kinds of mammals live in your home? You may have had some different answers on this one, like a dog or a cat or a hamster, but I hope that you also included yourself. You are a mammal. What do mammals breathe with? Lungs. Can you tell about a special mammal? You may have told about me. I'm a special mammal with wings, and I can fly. Or you may have told about a special mammal that lives in the water, or one that laid eggs. Can you name at least 10 other mammals? Go ahead, pause the video if you need to. Use your fingers. See if you can make it to 10. Congratulations, you're a mammal expert. I knew you could do it because you are a smart mammal.